Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon MQ. What is Amazon MQ? Message Broker Service. Amazon MQ is a managed message broker service for applications that uses messaging protocols like JMS, NMS, AMQP, MQTT, Stomp and WebSocket. AWS managed service. Being a part of AWS, Amazon MQ is a fully managed, which means maintenance, setup and operational complexities are handled by AWS. Supports multiple protocols. Amazon MQ supports a variety of messaging protocols, allowing for greater flexibility in application architecture. Seamless migration. If you are already using message brokers such as ActiveMQ or RabbitMQ, Amazon MQ enables easy migration. High availability. It offers features like failover and message durability to ensure high availability. When should we use Amazon MQ? Legacy system integration. When you have older systems that use traditional messaging protocols, Amazon MQ can serve as an effective bridge for integration. Microservices architecture. In a microservices based environment, Amazon MQ can manage inter-service communication efficiently. Real-time data processing. For applications that require real-time data processing, Amazon MQ's low latency capabilities can be beneficial. Application decoupling. If you aim to decouple different components of an application for scalability and maintenance, Amazon MQ is an ideal choice. Messaging queuing needs. Whenever there is a need for a robust message queuing, especially in distributed systems, Amazon MQ can be a reliable option. Limits and quotas of Amazon MQ. Max brokers. A single AWS account can create up to 20 brokers in each AWS region. Max connections. Each broker can handle up to 5,000 simultaneous client connections. Message size limit. For JMS based messaging, the maximum message size is capped at 256 KB. Storage limit. The maximum storage limit per broker instance is 200 GB. Topic queue limit. Up to 300,000 topics and queues can be created per broker. Visibility timeout. The visibility timeout for a message in seconds is 43,200 or 12 hours. Settings available when creating Amazon MQ. Broker type. Choose between broker engines like ActiveMQ or RabbitMQ. Engine version. Specify the version of the broker engine you wish to use. Instance type. Choose the AWS instance type that best fits your performance and resource requirements. Deployment mode. Decide between single instance or cluster deployment for availability and fault tolerance. Security groups. Assign security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic to the broker. Encryption options. Select encryption methods for data at rest and in transit such as KMS keys for encryption. CloudWatch logging. Enable logging and choose the types of log events to send to Amazon CloudWatch. Maintenance settings. Configure the maintenance window and whether to enable automatic minor version upgrades. Cost and pricing of Amazon MQ. Hourly broker rates. Amazon MQ pricing is generally based on the hourly rate for the chosen broker engine and instance type. Data transfer fees. Additional fees apply for data transfer into and out of the broker, especially for cross-region transfers. Storage cost. You are billed for the message storage on the broker, which is generally a per GB pricing model. Optional features. Some features like enhanced monitoring or using dedicated instance may incur extra charges. Underlying technology and working of Amazon MQ. Broker engines. Amazon MQ relies on popular broker engines like ActiveMQ and RabbitMQ to handle messaging. Messaging protocols. Supports multiple protocols such as AMQP, QP, JMS, MQTT and others to facilitate communication between applications. AWS infrastructure. Built on top of AWS, it leverages various AWS services for monitoring, logging and security. High availability. Utilizes multiple availability zones to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Data persistence. Messages are durably stored, ensuring that no data is lost even in case of broker restarts. Security measures. Incorporates SSL and TLS encryption and IAM roles for secure data transit and access control. Key concepts of Amazon MQ. Message brokering. The fundamental role of Amazon MQ is to act as a broker that handles the routing and storage of messages between producers and consumers. Point-to-point messaging. This involves sending messages from one producer to one consumer via a queue. Publish-subscribe model. In this model, messages are sent from a single producer to multiple consumers via topics. Durability. Amazon MQ stores messages in a durable manner, ensuring that data is not lost during system failures. High availability. The service is architected for high availability by using multiple availability zones. Managed environment. Amazon MQ is a managed service, automating tasks like backups, patch management, and scaling. Security mechanisms. Amazon MQ integrates security features like SSL, TLS encryption, and IAM roles to ensure secure data transit and access control. Okay, now some key terminologies of Amazon MQ. Broker. The core unit in Amazon MQ that handles the routing and storage of messages. Producer. An application component that sends messages to a broker. Consumer. An application component that receives messages from a broker. Queue. A FIFO data structure in the broker where messages are stored for point-to-point messaging. Topic. A channel in the broker used for publish, subscribe, messaging. Message. The actual data unit that is sent from the producer to the consumer via the broker. Connection. The link established between the producer or consumer and the broker to facilitate message transfer. Exchange. Specific to some broker types like RabbitMQ, it is a routing mechanism within the broker. Okay, security aspects of Amazon MQ. Encryption in transit. Amazon MQ supports SSL TLS to encrypt data as it moves between the broker and connected clients. Encryption at rest. Data stored within Amazon MQ is encrypted at rest using AWS KMS keys. VPC support. Amazon MQ can be deployed within a virtual private cloud for network isolation. IAM roles and policies. Access to Amazon MQ resources can be controlled using AWS IAM roles and policies. Security groups. Firewall rules can be applied using security groups to limit access to Amazon MQ broker. Auditing and monitoring. Activity can be monitored using AWS CloudWatch and audited with AWS CloudTrail. Performance matrix of Amazon MQ. Throughput capacity. Amazon MQ is designed for high throughput, capable of handling thousands of messages per second depending on the broker type and instance size. Message latency. Amazon MQ offers low latency message delivery, often measured in milliseconds, making it suitable for real-time applications. Scalability. While it is not automatically scalable like some AWS services, you can manually scale broker instances to meet high demand. High availability. Engineered for fault tolerance across multiple availability zones, ensuring continuous message flow. Resource optimization. Amazon MQ allows for resource tuning such as thread pools and cache sizes, enabling performance optimization. Integration of Amazon MQ with other AWS data services. Amazon S3. Amazon MQ can be integrated with S3 for durable storage of messages, ideal for archiving or data lake scenarios. AWS Lambda. You can trigger Lambda functions based on messages in Amazon MQ to execute serverless operations. Amazon Kinesis. Stream data from Amazon MQ to Kinesis for real-time analytics and processing. AWS Glue. Utilize AWS Glue for ETL operations to move and transform data from Amazon MQ to other AWS services. Amazon Redshift. Integrate with Redshift for data warehousing needs, enabling complex queries and analytics. AWS step functions. Use step functions to orchestrate multi-step workflows triggered by Amazon MQ messages. And that's all. Thanks for watching.